Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So this is Mr. P. This is Mr. P. So today I'm just going to be showing you what I calling it. I'm just going to be giving out a boat. Remember that this boat is completely for free. Now this boat actually trades on Volatility 75. Now you can actually use this boat on what do you call it, on other volatility indices also, but it's almost 100% accurate on volatility 75, so you can see already I ran this boat already 18 times, and you can see it had a 12 wins, right? Contract one is actually it's actually 12. You can see contract one is actually 12. I ran it for 18 times and it actually lost 6 contracts. But then now look at something about this stuff, guys. Now the stuff about this boat is that what I calling it makes losses sometimes, but then it recovers the losses instantly. You can see this. You can see the crazy amount I made from one trade here. Now what I claim the target for I set the target to be 200 USD per day in such a way that when you start the robot, immediately as it hits 200 USD, it stops automatically. And it will always recover losses. That's the perfect thing about it. So you can see, let me just take it down. If I run it now, it will run and stop again because it has hit my what I calling it. But then let me just stop it for the now. Okay, now just look at something. Now you can see this particular stuff here. I started it right now. You can see at this spot, I started it like this and then like this, and then you see it took a losses there and then it recovered it there, right? After recovering it, it actually came, took loss, it recovered it instantly from the next spot, right? And then you can see it kept increasing like that, kept increasing. Now all this little profit is trying to take is just to balance itself. It's waiting for the right moment to take some crazy profit. So you can see I was just still patient. I just left it for it to keep trading. You can see it took one here, it took another one and recovered it here. Now this is the trade I was looking for. Now this is actually the stuff, guys. When it hits the target crazily. You can see what was happening on this spot, but immediately as it went and hit the target, it was a straight win. It just hit 218 once, like 218 USD. So if you subtract those, like from, let's say, the loss I got here, you notice I'll be having 215 USD. If you subtract some of those stops and balance it here also, you notice I'll be having 215 USD straight like that, guys. You can see straight like that. So guys, this particular bot I'll be giving it completely for free. The beauty about this bot is that when you have up to like 100 USD or let's say even 50 USD, you can actually use this robot. But it's just preferable to what I calling it, to actually use on to actually use on a 100 USD account. It's more perfect that way, so that your trade will just be perfect. You can see this, guys. You can always hit this target every day, but the target is 215. The target is 200. Okay, but then it actually went above this because of the crazy stuff that it took here. So it even exceeded the crazy stuff that it took here. It even exceeded. That was why. So guys, this particular bot I'll be giving it completely for free. All I just want you to do is to just subscribe to my channel. And send me a screenshot that you subscribe. It's to just subscribe to my channel and send me a screenshot that you subscribe, and I'm going to send you this bot completely for free. You don't have to pay a dime. But guys, remember to watch this video completely, because I'm just going to show you now the rules. Something that you must note before starting this boat. There's something you must note before starting this boat. The first thing, guys, is to check if the market is really trending. Now, guys, if you don't actually understand how to trade using deriv application directly, because what I'm actually using now, I'm using deriv application directly. I'm going to show you how to install this particular robot now. Okay, guys, now look at something. the first thing you must check is if the market is trending, okay? If the market is trending. Now, how do you know if the market is trending? You can just simply go to your MT5. You can just simply go to your MT5. Good. Now, I'm in my MT5 now, right? I'm in my MT5. Now, what do I do? I just go to my 4 hours time frame. It's already on my 4 hours time frame. If yours was, let's say, on 15 minutes time frame, you can just take it to what? To the 4 hours time frame and just zoom it in. Right now, when you zoom it in, you notice that this stuff is on a crazy downtrend, right? It's going down. It's been dropping down, right? It's been dropping down. What does that tell me? It tells me that what? It tells me that when I start up my boat is just going to function perfectly well. It's just going to function perfectly well. So what do? I just simply leave. I just simply leave and what? And go back to this place and start my robot. Now, you can also check that directly from deriv app. You can just simply go to dboat. You click on this spot. Then you go to what? You go to dtrader, right? Now, it will load and open your dtrader for you, right? Now, after opening your dtrader, you just come, it's on your one tick, you just take it to what? You just take it to 4 hours here also. Just take it to 4 hours, it will load. After it's done loading, you just cancel it. Good. Can you see the movement, guys? Can you see that this stuff is on a strong downtrend? It's crazily heading down. It's crazily heading down. Telling me that, guy, I can just simply take what? I can just simply turn on my what now? I can just simply turn on my boat, right? I can just simply turn it on in such a way that what do? I just simply leave this particular spot now and just go what? To my dboat, back to my dboat. Okay, guys, now I'm just going to explain how you can actually install this boat. I'm just going to explain how you can actually install this boat quickly, okay? Now, how do you install this stuff? Now, all you just need to do is to go to load, right? You click on load. Now, I told you already before, to get this boat, you just need to be a subscriber, and to be a subscriber, you just have to join the team, right? You just have to subscribe and send me a screenshot that you subscribe, and I'm going to send you this boat completely for free. Now, after I've sent you this boat, all you just need to do is to what? It's to go to local, right? After getting to local, click on select an XML file from your device. Then go to files, okay? Now, after getting to files, right, it should come up like this, or you can go to download if yours does not show like this. So you should see Mr. PFX Volatility 75 Metro Scalper, okay? So you should see Mr. PFX VIX 75 Metro Scalper. So you just simply click on it, or you just simply click on it, right? You just simply click on it. Now, after clicking on it, it should show you something like this, right? It should show you something like this. Okay, it should show you something like this. Now, after this, what do you need to do? You just click on open. You just click on open. Good. So you see it will open up like this. It will open up like this, right? It will open up like this. Everything is already set, guys. There's nothing you have to do anymore. Everything's already set. The initial amount is 1 and the win amount is actually 2. So everything is actually accurate, right? Everything is actually accurate here. So you just what do you call it? You just need to like just set it like that. Then if yours is not on Volatility 75, you can just take this Volatility 75, but the default should be Volatility 75. But then if you want to actually use other indices, you can actually use other indices also here on volatility, but it's most accurate on Volatility 75. So after that, you are done. You just simply what? You just simply click here, right? You just simply click on this spot. You just simply click on this spot, right? Now, after clicking on it, it should open like this, right? Now, immediately as it opens like this, what do? You just click on run, right? Now, yours shouldn't have anything here. I was running my own already. That's why it has so much here. I was running my own. Remember that the target profit is what? Is 200 USD. It's 200 USD. Sometimes it can stop on 100 USD if the market is not so balanced. So when it hits 100 USD, it can just stop. But then the main target is 200 USD in such a way that it will take some losses through. You can see I'm showing you all the trades. It will take some losses through, but then it will recover back. When it recovers back, it will just keep going like that until it suddenly boom hits the target. Can you see? It hits the target. It hits the target here crazily. Immediately as it hits the target, it will stop automatically. Now I've hit the target for today. You just need to do is to just subscribe to my channel and send me a screenshot that you subscribe, and I'm going to send you this bot completely for free. Remember, I have other free forex bots. You can just go to my playlist there where I have free forex robots. You can just send me a screenshot of any one of them that you want, or you can just actually you can actually still go through my you can actually still go through my my analysis, my trading analysis there, and just learn how to trade, guys. I'm just trying to contribute back to the society, guys. It's a buy for me. I am Mr. P. Peace.